Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, we are going to see how to solve the fourth question in exercise 5.1. Now let us look at the problem first. Which of the following are APs? If they form an AP, find the common difference D and write three more terms. This question has so many subdivisions. This video, we will see the solution for the first three. Now let us look at the first series. It is 2, 4, 8 and 16. Find out what are the A and D. So A is going to be 2. Now let us check whether it is an AP, which means we are going to check whether the common difference is there. So from the second term, I subtract the first term, I get a difference of 2. From the third term, if I subtract the second term, I get a difference of 4. So this is not an AP. Okay. So now let us look at the second series given. 2, 5 by 2, 3, 7 by 2 and so on. So now we know the A is the first term, so A is equal to 2. Let us check if the difference is the same. So 5 by 2 minus 2. So 5 by 2 minus 2 is going to be 1 by 2. Now between 3 and 5 by 2, let's calculate again. So 3 minus 5 by 2 is another 1 by 2 and 7 by 2 minus 3 is also another 1 by 2. So this is an AP. An AP wherein the common difference D, as we have computed here, is half. And they also expected us to write 3 more terms. So after 7 by 2, I need to generate 3 more terms. So how do I generate after 7 by 2? I have to add 1 by 2 consecutively. So 7 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is 8 by 2, which is equal to 4. So the next term I have generated is 4. 4 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 9 by 2. So the term after that is 9 by 2. Then 9 by 2 plus 1 by 2, which is equal to 10 by 2, which is 5. So I have generated 3 more terms for this AP, that is 4, 9 by 2 and 5. Now let us look at the third one. Minus 1.2, minus 3.2, minus 5.2, minus 7.2 and so on. So the first term is minus 1.2. Now let us check the common difference. Minus 3.2 minus of minus 1.2. So essentially I'm doing an addition. So let us calculate the common difference. The common difference is second term minus of the first term. So minus 3.2 minus of minus 1.2, which is minus 3.2 plus 1.2. So essentially I'm performing a subtraction. So this is minus 2. Let's check if it works for the same. So minus 5.2, if I subtract with minus 3.2, I'm still getting minus 2. Here also it is minus 2, which means this is an AP. So if it is an AP, we are going to generate the next 3 terms. So if you add minus 2 to minus 7.2, you get minus 9.2. Again add a minus 2, you get minus 11.2. Once more add minus 2, you get minus 13.2. So we have generated the next 3 terms for this particular AP. In the next video, we will continue to solve more subdivisions in the same questions. Please extend your support to me by subscribing to my channel Smartly Learn. You can also reach out to me through my website www.smartlylearn.in for more practice worksheets. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.